Professional tile and grout cleaning in Banstead, Surrey. Are you tired of spending hours on your hands and knees, trying to scrub away stubborn stains from your tile floors? Are your grout lines impossible to clean, no matter how much effort you put in? It's time to take the hassle out of tile and grout cleaning with our professional services in Banstead, Surrey. Say goodbye to DIY cleaning methods and hello to a pristine home that you can be proud of. Our team of experienced professionals specializes in tile and grout cleaning, using the latest technology and techniques to deliver exceptional results every time. With our specialist scrubbing equipment and pressurized hot water cleaning process, we can penetrate deep into the pores of your tiles, lifting away even the toughest stains and bacteria. Just imagine walking into your home and being greeted by floors that look and feel brand new. That's the difference our services can make. Contact us today on 01372 664 337 to schedule your free quote. Don't let dirty floors drag down the appearance of your home. Trust our team to deliver exceptional results and make your space shine like never before.